Why do 92% of people give up on their resolutions? Is it really that hard to stick with a new habit? Let's see if one small change can actually make a difference. We've all been there, declaring new year, new me, and then, 2 weeks later it's like, where's my motivation? Gone. Been there, done that, got the unfinished journal to prove it. But this time, I tried something different. Just one tiny tweak to my daily routine. For me, that was 5 minutes of exercise. No excuses. Honestly, it felt almost too easy at first. But after a week, I started feeling more focused. By week 3, I was actually looking forward to it. And here's the kicker. My friend tried the same trick and doubled her productivity. Turns out, small changes snowball fast. It's like giving yourself a high five every day. Suddenly, you're unstoppable. If you're tired of giving up, try one small habit for 30 days. Trust me, it's way more doable than you think. Drop your challenge in the comments and let's crush it together.